The Tesla Model S doesn't have a traditional neutral gear like gasoline cars. Instead, it uses software-controlled modes to disengage the motor and allow the car to roll freely. These modes disable regenerative braking, which is essential for preventing damage during towing or when moving the car without power. This video explains the three main modes: transport mode for flat towing, car wash mode, and roll mode, each serving a specific purpose. Transport mode allows safe, flat towing of your Tesla. Car wash mode protects your vehicle during automated washes. Roll mode enables free rolling for low-speed maneuvers. Transport mode is designed for flat towing the Model S, typically behind an RV. To activate it, ensure the car is parked on a level surface. Then, on the touchscreen, navigate to Controls, Service, Towing. Select Transport mode and confirm. This mode raises the car slightly and disengages the drive motors. Note, the maximum towing speed is 55 miles per hour, 89 kilometers per hour, and the vehicle must be stationary to engage this mode. An adaptive tow mode will automatically detect towing scenarios. Car wash mode is crucial for preventing damage during automated car washes. This mode locks the doors, disables the automatic wipers, mirrors, and all sensors to prevent accidental activation. To engage, find Car Wash mode in the service menu on your touchscreen or in the Tesla app. Once activated, the car is ready for the car wash without any interference from the vehicle's systems. Software must be up to date, minimum v 2024 3.1. Roll mode allows the Model S to roll freely without motor assistance, making it useful for situations like valet parking or maneuvering in tight spaces. To use roll mode, first put the car in park on a level surface. Then access the service menu on the touchscreen by navigating to Controls, Service, and Towing. Finally, engage roll mode, which bypasses the park brake and allows the car to roll freely. Remember, this mode requires the vehicle to initially be in park, and safety is paramount when using it. Safety is the top priority when using any neutral mode. The Model S relies on a 12-volt auxiliary battery to power these functions, ensuring proper operation. Improper use of these modes can void your warranty or cause significant damage to the vehicle's systems. Always follow proper procedures to avoid issues. Always use the touchscreen method to activate modes and avoid physical jacks or manual overrides. This ensures safe and correct operation. If the vehicle senses towing without mode activation, it will display warnings on the touchscreen. Pay attention to these alerts to prevent damage. Ignoring these precautions can lead to serious issues, such as vehicle damage, safety hazards, or costly repairs. Always prioritize safety when using neutral modes. Tesla is increasingly focusing on software-defined vehicle features. Neutral modes are becoming more app-centric, with a majority of users preferring mobile control. Integration with full self-driving FSD allows predictive neutral engagement. For instance, the car might automatically switch modes if it detects a tow truck. Expect future updates to further automate these processes. Consider a Model S owner who successfully towed their vehicle across the country using transport mode. They activated it via the app and completed the 2,000-mile trip from California to Florida without any incidents. Another example involves a car wash mishap where a Model S owner forgot to engage car wash mode, leading to sensor malfunctions. Fortunately, an over-the-air update automatically corrected the issue, restoring full functionality. Roll mode is seeing widespread use in urban valet services to reduce manual labor. In a pilot program in New York City, valets successfully used roll mode to maneuver Model S vehicles in garages and parking areas, reducing physical effort by up to 40%. Experts from organizations like AAA and Edmunds praise Tesla's neutral modes for their safety and ease of use. Tesla CEO Elon Musk has stated that future updates will make towing as simple as tapping a button, emphasizing AI integration.